Hi guys, welcome to FOTOVO channel, and today this is a video about the unboxing of our 800 watts solar balcony microinverter. And today we will be taking a close look at this microinverter and showing you guys everything that comes in the box. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first, this is our menu, and you can use it to help you install the solar panel and with the microinverter. Okay, this is protective foam sheets that keep the microinverter safe from any damage during the shipping. Okay, well, with the microinverter, it basically separates each panel. So you can have one panel here, and the other one over there. And even if one panel gets shaded or doesn't work, like let's say this one here stops working, well, the other panel will still function just fine. They won't be affected. And this setup ensures that the whole system isn't dragged down by a single shaded or damaged panel. And what happens is it converts the DC power from one panel directly into AC power and sends to your home. Okay guys, now let's focus on the microinverter itself. And first, you should know that this microinverter is from our own brand, FOTOVO. And we've got multiple solutions for your solar needs. So, okay, here, look, let's take a closer look at our microinverter. And first, you can see here, it has a handle here, and which can also serve as a mounting point, so you can easily attach it to the rack system. And okay, over here, you can say here, it's got the output for Wi-Fi. And then there are two sides, this one and this one. The two sides is micro MC4 connectors, and one here and another one here. And also this one, you can say this is AC connector, and we can use AC cable to attach here, and you can use it for your solar balcony solar system. Okay, we'll flip it over and you will see some date here. Okay, let's read the important stuff to you. And the step of voltage is 20 volts DC, and the MPPT voltage range is 25 to 55 volts. And this means it's designed for typical solar panels that range from about 280 to 550 watts. And the maximum input current is 13.5 amps times 2, and the maximum input short circuit is 2 times 16.5 amps. So, and later the normal output voltage is 230 volts AC, and the maximum continuous output current is 4 amps AC. So the normal output frequency is 50 Hertz. Okay guys, that's all about our video today. So if you're interested in our microinverter or other related solar products, so please click the link below here and learn more about it. And also please remember that subscribe our FOTOVO channel for more unboxing and reviews. Okay, see you next time.